Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix unable to check for an update on iPhone. So in order to fix that problem, go ahead to the settings, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to the general, and I'm going to make sure that my iPhone storage is not filled, right? If it was filled or there is a lot of storage in my iPhone, I would need to release the unnecessary data on my iPhone to be able to update the app. And if that wasn't the issue for you, just go back to your setting, general, and then scroll a little bit down, click on the transfer reset iPhone, click reset, and you're gonna click reset network setting, and you're gonna be able to add the passcode, and basically you're gonna be able to fix that problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.